Alrighty, so here we are in Oakland, California for Oakland's Big Latch On. And we have our beautiful Oakland mamas and gorgeous babies. And the purpose of the Big Latch On is to show solidarity for worldwide breastfeeding. So everywhere around the world, breastfeeding mamas are gathering in their time zone, and at the same time, all of those mamas will be nursing their babies in solidarity, in oneness and in belief in the goodness of breastfeeding and breast milk being the first and best food for human babies. So we have a beautiful Oakland group. So we're getting close to time. Everyone's getting ready. Breastfeeding mamas and their various supporters.
Okay, hold on a second. You can latch on.
This is
10:29 and 45 seconds. Almost. 10:29, 55 seconds. 3, 2, 1. It's 10:30. Woo! So everybody needs to be latched on, and they need to stay latched on for 1 minute. You can dance.
Baby will do the best thing.
All the nursing babies. There we go.
Sophia said that. Oh.
And it's Oakland's beautiful Big Latch On. Oakland, California representing. Woo!